Hello, good morning students. I am Dharmen Sharma, PGT Physical Education at St. Francis Convent School, Bareilly. Today I am going to teach you about seeding. In last video, I taught you about the knockout fixture and bye system. After that, the seeding is also very important. In seeding, the sorting of the teams and setting them in the fixture so that stronger teams do not meet each other in earlier rounds is known as seeding, because if many of the good teams are playing amongst themselves in the initial round, first or second round, then one of the good team will go out. So for that we keep the good team separate for and keep them in seeding. This method is good. We know the real strong teams. Seeding method can be adopted when organizers knows performance of and ranking of team or player. Mean some of the tournaments are used to be every year, and those regular teams taking part in those tournaments from many years, so organizer must be knowing the performance and their ranking, so accordingly they can keep them in seeding. The number of team to whom seeding is given should be in power of 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. And seeded team should be placed in the fixture where the bye is given. So when we write the byes, first bye, second bye, third, fourth bye, like that, so seeded team will be kept on the byes place. Except seeded teams, other teams are allotted place in fixture by lots. So whether the left teams are there, we can put lots for them, and accordingly they'll be setting in the fixture. So students, last time I taught you fixture of 11 team, and you must have learned the byes in that. And now we will be talking about special seating. This is beside the seating. Seating mean some of the good teams we are keeping on the bye place, but special seating is for the meritorious teams. Those are having good ranking and good position by their performance, so we have to keep them in special seating, and they will be meeting with the other teams in quarterfinal or semi-final, because we have seen the good players or good teams, they cannot stay for a longer time for a particular place, due to which special seating is given. Because some of the meritorious players you can see in Wimbledon, Australia Open tournament, and same in badminton or other teams. Some of the players are ranking players in the world, and most of the time they are roaming here and there, so they cannot stay for a long time. If we are organizing a tournament for 10 days, that is not possible for them to stay for 10 days. So this special seating procedure is there. And students, I'll be fixing a fixture of 20 team. You can see how the seeded teams are kept in the fixture, and fixture of 20 teams, 4 seed is given. Now only 16 teams are left, and they will be kept in fixture, and they will playing match first, second and third round in the order. Now students, one thing is to remember when we are seeding the teams. Suppose number of team is 20 and 4 seeding we are given at the place of 1, 10, 11, 20. number of teams getting the seeding and will be meeting in quarterfinal. But if the number of team after deducting the CD is not in power of 2, then we'll have to calculate by for them. Mean total number of team minus seeding is equal to left number of teams will be calculated by for them if they are in power of 2. Suppose number of team is 21. 4 seeded team are kept for the seeding place. Now 17 teams are left, so we'll have to calculate the buys for the 17 teams because they are not in power of 2. So you can see now 17 team, so next power of 2 of 17 team will be 32, like 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16. So 16 is less than the 17, so we'll go to the next power of 2, that is 32. So 32 minus 17, like that we will calculate the buys. I hope this all will be clear, seeding and special seeding. In my next video I will be meeting you with the next topic, league fixtures. Okay students, thank you very much.